News, views, voices of the global Indian community. India Abroad.
The Embassy of India hosted a reception to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India at the historic Willard Intercontinental Hotel in Washington, D.C. Friends of India and prominent members of the Indian community in the United States attended the event in large numbers. In his address, the Indian ambassador to the US, Vinay Mohan Kwatra, celebrated US-India ties and hoped for a brighter future under the new American administration.
Celebration on the occasion of India's Republic Day. Thank you for joining us today as we celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India. January 26th, that is coming Sunday, would mark the adoption of the Constitution of India in 1950, a singular act that put the country on the path of equality, freedom and progress. The Constitution has served as our guiding light and has enabled India's remarkable journey over the last 7 decades. As a country of 1.4 billion people and significantly as a civilizational state and also as the largest democracy on this planet, we have much to contribute to the march of global progress. And in this endeavor, we believe that there is no better partner for us than the oldest democracy in the world, the United States of America. The past 2 decades have seen a steady, upward, strong trajectory in our bilateral partnership, which has grown across all avenues of human endeavor. Over the next 4 years, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi and President Trump, we will work to ensure that the India-US relationship delivers for the citizens of both our countries. After President Trump's recent victory, one of the first foreign leaders that he spoke to was Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister Modi. As you would all know, most recently, just a couple of days ago, External Affairs Minister of India, Dr. Jaishankar, was in Washington, D.C. to attend President Trump's inaugural ceremony as Prime Minister Modi's special envoy. The degree of mutual trust that each of our countries enjoy was amply clear during his engagements and presence at the inaugural ceremony. One aspect of this, of course, is our convergent interest. We strongly believe that deeper cooperation between India and the United States is beneficial to both our countries, our national interests, and its benefits, they also spill over to the larger regional and global good. Overall, there is a consensus that the India-US relationship delivers, and going forward, our goal would be to make it even bolder, bigger, greater in scope, and larger in imagination. Be it commerce, trade, technology, tourism, defense, space, or education, our existing lines of effort and pipeline of cooperation projects will grow manyfold. In the plurilateral sphere, India and the US have a lot to achieve together as well. Take Quad, for instance. The 3 Quad foreign ministers being present at President Trump's inauguration and Secretary of State Marco Rubio organizing the Quad foreign ministers meeting on his very first day in office highlights the importance placed on this grouping of Quad by all 4 member countries. Quad, in our view, is a key vehicle to develop, share and execute our shared understanding and cooperation, and we are confident will only grow in times to come. Ladies and gentlemen, the foundation of the current shape of India-US relationship is provided by people and the gathering present here in this room. There are several friends of the India-US relationship present here today, from the administration, from the US Congress, from the think tank community, academia, from the media, private sector, and from several other walks of life, together to address global challenges, promote economic prosperity, and build a more secure and inclusive world for future generations. Jai Hind, and thank you very much. Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
The event also celebrated the spirit of Indian Constitution and showcased elements of Indian culture and cuisine.
Om Shanti everyone, Sister Jenna, Sister Devi and Rashmi from the Brahma Kumaris in Washington DC. Happy Republic Day of India. Here at the Grand Ballroom in Washington DC at the Willard Intercontinental, the Indian diaspora is elevating America and the world. And one of the best gifts that we're giving is our peace, love, principles, values, culture, and joy. It's my pure wish that we continue to elevate our country, elevate America, and elevate the world. Happy India Republic Day, everyone. Be safe and be good. Om Shanti.
We're gathered here tonight at the beautiful Willard Hotel on this auspicious week in the nation's capital. We're just a block away from the White House, where we've inaugurated a new president of the United States. And it also happens to be India's Republic Day. So it's an auspicious day for both countries. We're talking about the world's oldest democracy and the world's largest democracy. And it's great to have this event on this auspicious week and for the two countries to get together, and we wish best wishes for both administrations to work in harmony to further peace and prosperity for the whole world.
My name is Nanihal Singh Gumar, and best wishes to the largest democracy in the world. Happy Republic Day.
We're here at the Willard Hotel celebrating the 76th Republic Day celebration with the Ambassador of India and many, many dignitaries. What a great honor to represent the Indian Cultural Association at this magnificent event. Beautiful event. It's nice to see some old friends and many new faces.
I would just like to add that this is a historic occasion. This is the 76th Republic Day of India, and we're very fortunate to celebrate it with the Indian diaspora here. We had wonderful performances and a lot of cheer here. And
Dr. Anju Preet here at Washington DC at the celebration of 76th Republic Day of India, hosted by the Embassy of India. And this is a great day of celebration when India adopted the Constitution and became the largest democracy officially. And America is the oldest democracy, and here the two nations have come together. Diaspora from diverse fields have come together here, and they are congratulating each other on this great day, which India takes pride in celebrating. And USA has great reasons to celebrate January month, since we have our new president, Donald J. Trump, and Vice President J.D. Vance. And we are sure that under the leadership of Donald Trump and Prime Minister Modi, India and USA are going to achieve great heights. And Republic Day is a commemoration or celebration to the great nations getting stronger together, working for a better future for the whole world. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Arul Vig. I'm from Potomac, Maryland. Today we are gathered here at the Willard Hotel celebrating India's Republic Day event. The whole Indian diaspora is around here. We have close to about 500 people and celebrating close India-US ties. It's been a wonderful evening. We just heard from the ambassador who spoke so well, strengthening India's relationship with the United States. So I wanted to wish everybody a happy Republic Day and look forward to stronger ties between the two countries strategically all over. Thank you.
I am Dr. Ajit Vig, traveling from India currently to Potomac. It is indeed a great pleasure to be present on this auspicious day of India's Republic Day celebration at the US Embassy. I wish and pray that the Indo-US ties get strengthened further as years go by. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं आलोक श्रीवास्तव हूँ। मैं यहाँ वाशिंगटन डीसी में विलार्ड होटल से बोल रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे इंडिया का रिपब्लिक डे मनाया गया है और बहुत ही खुशी का माहौल है। एम्बेसडर साहब ने स्पीच दी और बहुत से VIPs यहाँ पर हैं और आफ्टर द ट्रांजिशन ट्रम्प साहब के प्रेसिडेंट बनने के बाद ये इंडियंस की बहुत बड़ी गैदरिंग ओवर हियर है। एम्बेसडर साहब ने बहुत सी अच्छी चीज़ें बोली। उन्होंने एम्फेसाइज़ किया जयशंकर जी के विज़िट के बारे में, क्रट के बारे में और प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प और इंडिया के अच्छे रिलेशंस के बारे में। लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ये ठीक है, इंडिया इज़ द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी, अमेरिका है, पर सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो इंडिया और US रिलेशनशिप पे है, इंडिया इज़ ए इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमिक पावर एंड द नेम ऑफ द बॉल गेम इज़ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। और इंडिया इमर्जिंग एज ए थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमिक पावर। तो हमारे जो इकोनॉमिक रिलेशंस हैं वो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है वर्ल्ड में। चाइना की इसीलिए इम्पॉर्टेंस है क्योंकि इकोनॉमिक पावर है एंड वी वांट टू सी कि इंडिया भी उसी लेवल पे आए और वर्ल्ड में उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस बढ़े। इंडिया का जो मिडिल क्लास है इज़ द ड्राइविंग फोर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इकॉनमी राइट नाउ, क्योंकि इंडिया की ग्रोथ 8% के आसपास है, दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा है। तो माई बेस्ट विशेज़ टू इंडिया ऑन द Republic Day and let they lead the world not only in democracy, human rights, but also for the economic development of the world, and be a driving force for the prosperity in the world. Thank you very much.
My name is Anjana Bordoloi and I work as a entrepreneur and social worker, and I live in Washington DC metro area, and today it's a very proud moment for all of us. It's India's Republic Day event, and that's happening in Washington DC in Willard International Hotel, and almost like 600 people gathered today, and we saw the young generation participating in this in this event, and our honorable ambassador, he also gave a very wonderful speech about how the relation between India and USA is building like stronger every day and day. So this is a really proud moment for all of us, and then celebrating India staying in USA is a big deal. So I just want to say congratulations to all over all Indians like who is living in the global area, and then want to say thank you again. Jai Hind.